Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and 2021 is almost end now. Okay, so we have almost 14 days in our hands until the new year. So this would be the perfect time to recall all of the trends that we have in 2021 and actually like predict what's gonna be the trend in 2022 regarding all of those things that we are hyped about right now. And today I have a site particularly for this purpose. So they have collected all of the resources that is available in the internet regarding this thing, like regarding this 2022 trends, what's gonna be, what's the prediction. So let's just see the site now, okay, and we'll talk about it more while showing it. So here is our today's site, that is 2022 roundup, and they basically have trends for 2022 in any field I would say, because they have a lots of fields categorized here. Here you can see 99 designs, graphic design trends. First, graphics design, then active technology and media outlook, essential retail, brand watch, and lots of other things are there, like media trends. That's gonna be, and this is by Dentsu. And if you click on one of them, and you will get redirected to the actual page or actual blog or actual article, whatever is published in the internet. Then we have economics 2022 emerging technologies. Then we have Falcon digital technology trends. Like Falcon is the company's name, but digital technology trends. Ford's 2022 trend. Then we have Forbes also, Ford and Forbes. Okay. Then we have Instagram trends, Hootsuite's trending social media trend analysis, and a lots of topics are covered here. Okay, so a lots of thing that is present over here. So actually that's about it about this website. Like, it's gonna be a handy, really handy site for me to get back to all of those design, like get back to all of those resources, because we have to keep up to 2022. So 2021 was a year that everyone will remember, like lots of experiences, bad experiences, good experiences as well, but lots of experiences, amalgamation of emotions, hard work, everything. Okay, so not talking about it, but in 2022, like before entering into 2022, this is your preparation. If you are an, like, designer, marketer, social media influencer, whatever you are, this is your, like, this is your guideline. So visit this site, use it. I'm going to use it for sure. And that's about it about this site. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resource like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. And I have completed 165 videos already. That means I have to complete another 200 to get to 365 target. So another target is fulfilling. Whatever. Bye for now.